Excavators are some of the most commonly used construction machines in the world. These machines are known for their ability to move large amounts of earth and other materials quickly and efficiently. From digging foundations for buildings to creating trenches for pipelines, excavators are an essential tool for any construction project. Excavators come in a variety of sizes and shapes, ranging from small, compact machines to massive, heavy-duty models that can move tons of earth at once. The most common type of excavator is the hydraulic excavator, which uses hydraulic fluid to power its arm and bucket. Other types of excavators include dragline excavators, which use a large bucket attached to a cable to remove earth, and suction excavators, which use a vacuum to remove material. The arm of an excavator is made up of several different components, including the boom, dipper, and bucket. The boom is the long arm that extends from the body of the excavator and provides reach and height. The dipper is the shorter arm that connects the boom to the bucket, and it provides flexibility and maneuverability. The bucket is the attachment at the end of the dipper, and it is used to scoop up earth and other materials. Excavators are typically operated by a trained operator who sits inside a cab on top of the machine. The operator uses joysticks and pedals to control the movement of the machine and the arm, and a computer system helps to ensure that the movements are precise and efficient. Some excavators also come equipped with cameras and other advanced technology to help the operator see the work area and make adjustments as needed. That's all for today's lesson. Please subscribe if you like this video. Goodbye.